Hello everybody, it's Charlie, your medical supply specialist here with another FYI product video. Today we're going to be talking about Theravent. This is product number CAT2003. This is a nightly snore therapy device. This is going to help those of you who get kicked out of the room at night when you're snoring. So this works very similar. It looks just like a Band-Aid would. And the way this works, it's a microvalve technology is what Theravent terms it as. It's simply a one-way valve that when it's placed over the nostrils, this one-way valve will allow you to breathe or inhale unobstructed air, just like you normally would. Then when you go to exhale though, it restricts that airflow, causing a back pressure in your airway, up in your nasal passages that will hopefully eliminate any snoring or vibration that would cause snoring. So what we're going to do is we're going to have my patient Daniel here apply this device. He's going to simply peel the backing off just like you would a Band-Aid. And then he's going to place it over the nostrils. He's going to want to make sure, you're going to want to make sure and have your skin kind of wiped off, brushed off, get all the oils and sweat off so everything will stick better, just like you would when you put a regular bandage on. And make sure to press down on all the edges because you want to have a really good seal here. Looks like we have a good seal. The way to test that is you can put your finger over the hole. There's one hole there in the center and blow out, and then you can tell there's no air escaping, so he's got a good seal there. And that will then open up that airway. In order to get used to this, it does take a couple nights to get used to. The company suggests that you breathe through your mouth while you're awake. Don't try to breathe through the device. Put it on just before bed. Just to let you know, there are also three strengths of this product. You've got the regular strength, which is this Theravent here. You've got the light Theravent, which is approximately half the resistance, and the max, which is twice the resistance. So if you're just a light snorer, you'd use the light product. If you are snoring like the Dickens, you're going to use the max product. The light product is CAT2003. It comes in a 14 or a 30-night supply. The max product is CAT2060, and it will come in a 20-night supply. Again, this is Theravent. Thank you so much for watching.